I think the biggest risk that U.S. investors face this year is the reality that we're in this slow growth environment. People are beginning to realize that the economy is not as well off as investors thought going into this year. The biggest risk people have is that they're not pricing this in and assuming that the Fed is actually going to become more active in terms of making monetary policy easier.
Global growth is slowing. At the same time, we as a country are withdrawing quantitative easing, which has been a source for a lot of the investment monies that were going into the equity markets.
The biggest question mark is, will China slow down, and at what rate? China has about $28 trillion of debt, and at some point that becomes unsustainable. It's a longer term issue. It's probably going to take 5 years to settle down, and I think that's probably the greatest risk that U.S. investors face.